All right, so today I'm going to print a Bulldog, a 3D print, and the print is designed from tri-dimensional prints. So let's check it out. All right, so now here I have my Elegoo Neptune 4 printer, and we're just gonna load up the SD card into the slot and then load the file. SD card, and I put it into the slot like that. Just put it in just like that. And now I'm going to load the file. So I'm gonna hit print. All right, there it is. So now we've loaded our program, and it is all about all right, so it's getting up to temp. It's at 220. It is now up to temp, and it has started to do its thing. It lays down a test strip. So I check that out, see how that looks. That looks really good. So we should be good to go. All right, so now the Bulldogs are done. We're gonna open that up and just pop these off. Sounds really horrible, but that should sound like. There you go. Yeah, the body's right here. Not bad. And we take the heads, and we're going to put the head on right there. Pops on just like that. And there you go. There is a Bulldog. Do the same thing here. We're just gonna pop the head on like that. There we go. And we've got two Bulldogs. And cool thing with the tricolor or multicolor filament is, so this way it's kind of, there you go. You got the blue tint to it. And this way you got the green tint with the blue head part. So I would have thought better. I probably could have made it so that this would have been green and the head would have been green on this side. So that's something I need to do a better job on. But you can see there is our Bulldogs. Dun, dun, dun. Not too shabby. All right. So the Bulldogs designed by Tri-Dimension Prints. There you go. All right.